Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss 5 and 6 problems in exercise 5.3 in quadratic equations of 10th class mathematics. Right? So before doing these problems, friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's do the problems. Yeah. See, this is the fifth question in exercise 5.3. In a class test, the sum of Maulika's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Right? So, if she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would have been 210. Find the marks in 2 subjects. See, come again. In a class test, the sum of Maulika's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Right? Mathematics and English will be 30. Yes, if she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would be equal to 210. Now find the marks in 2 subjects. 2 subjects means mathematics and English. We should find the marks in mathematics and English. Right? It is fine? Yeah. See, solution. See, Maulika's total marks in maths and English. Maths and English is equal to 30, right? Yes, let the marks in mathematics be x. Let the marks in mathematics be x. Now marks in English will be how much? Marks in English is equal to, here total marks is 30, marks in mathematics is x, then English will be, marks in English is equal to 30 minus x only, na? Yeah, 30 minus x. Right. Next, another condition has given if she got 2 marks more in mathematics. Next, if she got 2 marks more in maths, then marks is equal to 2 marks more means x. Actually x only, na? X plus 2. 2 marks more means x plus 2. Next, another condition. And 3 marks less in English. Less in English. If she got 3 marks less in English, then marks is equal to 30 minus x. Actually English marks is equal to 30 minus x. 3 marks less only, na? So minus 3. This will be how much? 30 minus 3? Yes, 27 minus x. Now these both product will be equal to how much? 210, right? So according to the problem, x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to how much? 210, right? Yeah. So now multiply these. X into 27x, plus into minus, x into x is x square. Next, plus 2 into 27 plus 54, plus into minus, 2 into x. 2x is equal to 210. Right? Yes, these all transfer into this side. Why? Because here minus x square is there. So then how can you write? See, 210 plus, here plus 27x. If you transfer into that side, so minus 27x, minus x square will be plus x square, plus 54 will be minus 54. Next, minus 2x will be plus 2x is equal to 0. Right. Now write according to the quadratic equation. This is first x square minus 27x plus 2x minus 25x plus 210 minus 54. 210 minus 50 is 160. 160 again minus 4, 156. So plus 156 is equal to 0. So let us find the roots. Find the roots using factorization method. See, plus 156 is there, here minus 56, 25 is there. How much? 13 12 is 156. 13 plus 12 is equal to 25, right? Yeah. So this will be x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. So in these both x is the common, x minus 13. Here in these both minus 12 is the common, x minus 13 is there, 0. So x minus 13 if you do common, x minus 12 is the remaining part. Right, here x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 12. Right, so therefore the marks in mathematics will be 13 or 12. If you take 13, the marks in English will be 30 minus 13, 17. If you take 12, then English marks will be 18. So write down in case 1, if maths marks are 13, then English marks is equal to 30 minus 13, that is 17. See, 13 plus 17 will be 30 marks, right? Next, in case 2, if maths marks are 12, then English marks is equal to 30 minus 12, that is 18. If math marks are 13, then English marks are 17. If maths marks are 12, and English marks will be 18. Have you understood clearly how to do this problem? Yes, note it down. Next question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So come again. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. See, a rectangular field is there. A rectangular field. See, rectangular field is there, its diagonal is there. Suppose ABCD is a rectangular field and AC is the diagonal, right? See here, clearly given that the rectangular field, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Here shorter side let us take as x meters, x. Rectangular only na? So both opposite sides are equal. Next, its diagonal will be 60 meters more than its shortest side, means x plus 60 meters. Right. Next, the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. This is the longer side. It will be 30 meters more than the shorter side, means x plus 30 meters. Now, find the sides of the field. Sides of the field means here, this is the rectangular field. See, it is the AC is the diagonal now. So here ABC will be, yes, right angle triangle. We know very well, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Using that formula, let us find the values of shorter side and longer side and the diagonal. Right? Let us write now. Solution. Let the shorter side of the rectangle be x meters. Right? Next, longer side is equal to longer side. Longer side is equal to x plus 30 meters. Now its diagonal is equal to x plus 60 meters. Are you following properly? Yeah, see, this is a shorter side will be x, this is a longer side is x plus 30 and diagonal will be x plus 60 meters, right? See, in triangle ABC, which means right triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras principle. See, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So, by the diagram I am doing, right? Yeah, here AC square means AC is x plus 60 whole square is equal to AB means x plus 30 whole square plus BC x square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Yeah. See, this is x square plus 2 into x into 60 plus 60 square, right? Is equal to, again it is in the form of a plus b whole square, and that is equal to x square plus x into 2 into x into 30 plus 30 square plus x square. Plus x square is there, right? Do here. So this is x square plus 260 is yes, 120x plus 60 square is 3600 plus x square, sorry, here equal to x square plus x square will be 2x square plus 230 is 60 into x, 60x plus 30 square, 900, right? Here 2x square is there, here x square is there. So all these three terms transfer into this side. This will be 2x square minus x square plus 60x plus 900 minus 120x minus 3600 is equal to 0. Now simplify it. 2x square minus x square will be x square, see, plus 60x minus 120x minus 60x plus 900 minus 3600 minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So let us find the roots by the factorization method. It should come or not, let us see. It have roots or not. Yes, 2760 should come. Yes, 93s are. 9 3s are 27. Yes, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So that's a 90 30s are 2700. 90 minus 30 is equal to 60. Yes, write down like that. So x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Yeah, here x in this both x is the common. X into x minus 90 plus 30 means x minus 90 is equal to 0. Again x minus 90 is a common. The remaining part is x plus 30 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 90 or x is equal to minus 30. Right, minus 30. Here x means what we have to take, what we have taken shorter side. Shorter side, the length of the side should not be negative. Length of the side should not be negative. That's why length of the side will be 90 meters. The length of the side cannot be negative. Therefore, shorter side is equal to 90 meters. Next, longer side, how much? X plus 30 only na? 90 plus 30, that is equal to 120 meters. Next, diagonal is equal to 90 plus 60, that is equal to 150 meters. So these are the sides of the given rectangle. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.